Good morning, everyone. Today we are presenting our project Women Safety Route Alert mobile application. The main object of this application is to improve women safety during travel by providing instant emergency support, safe route guidance, live tracking, emergency alert, and evidence collection feature. This application designed especially for women commuters, students, working professional, parents concerned about safety. What are user stories? In software companies, developer first understand user need using something called user stories. A user stories follows this format. As a user, I want some feature so that I get some benefit. It contains who the user, what the feature needed, and why the benefit. This helps developer create user-friendly application. For user stories, user one tap SOS alert. As a woman commutator, the user want to activate an SOS alert instantly. Purpose fast emergency response, no time wasted during danger. A feature one tap emergency activate send alert to trusted content immediately. User 2 live location sharing. The user can share live location with trusted contact. Benefit family member can track movement, quick rescue in emergencies. Main feature হলো real time GPS tracking, WhatsApp SMS location sharing. User 3 route safety alert. Before traveling, the user can check whether a route is safe or unsafe. Purpose avoid dangerous areas, choose safe paths. The app shows safety score. Highlight unsafe zone on map. And user for trusted contact list. User can add emergency contact. যেমন alert reach এর benefit গুলো হলো alert reach the correct pupil, emergency response became faster. Feature add up to 5 contact, priority based contact system. User file 5 offline SOS alert. Even without internet, the app can send emergency alert through SMS. Importance it works in low network areas, improve reliability. And parents notification system. Parents receive instant notification when SOS is activated. Feature last known location, direct calling option. This increases family secure and monitoring. Then auto audio and video recording. When SOS activate, audio and video recording state automatically. Evidence gets stored secure. এর পারপাস গুলি হলো সেফটি এভিডেন্স কালেকশন, সাপোর্ট ডিউরিং লিগাল ইনভেস্টিগেশন. Acceptance and criteria. Acceptance criteria define when a feature is considered, compared and successful. যেমন for SOS alert, button always visible, activate within 2 seconds, works even on lock screen. For live location, update every 330 seconds. Live location works through GPS, no extra app needed for receive. This ensure quality and reliability of this application. Feature prioritization. We categorized feature into 4 groups. Must have essential feature, SOS button, live location, offline SMS, and trusted contacts. You should have important but not mandatory, route safety score, parent notification, audio recording. You could have feature improvement, fake police call, CCTV information, and direct police investigation. We have now advanced future concept, AI prediction, wearable integration, and voice commands. This help develop focus on the most critical feature first. User story mapping, a persona map. The project support multiple user. যেমন পূজা, he woman commutator, she needs SOS, root safety and offline alerts. Somir, as a parent, he needs notification app and live tracking. And general user needs safety tools, emergency support. This mapping help understand how different users interact with the app. Sprint planning. The story are divided into development phases called sprint. Development order, SOS system, live tracking, trusted contact, root safety, recording feature and advanced feature. This make project management easier and organized. In conclusion, the Women Safety Route Alert app aims to create a safe travel environment for women through emergency response tool, smart route guidance, real-time communication and safety evidence system. Our goal is to use technology to reduce fear and improve confidence during travel. So thank you, sir.